Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create a queue of songs on Amazon Music. All right, so let's begin. First, actually, before we begin, real quick, it'll be just 30 seconds. This video is brought to you by Jaybird headphones. Jaybird headphones are designed with a focus on secure and comfort fit. Their adventure-proof design and very customizable headphones means that you can focus on your passion without wires or anything else getting in your way. Click on the link in my video description if you're interested in getting some of these pretty cool headphones. Okay, or you can just click on the link and learn what they have to offer. Again, the link is in my video description. It's under J Bird Sports headphones, so click on that link in my video description. Let's get back to Amazon Music. To create a song queue on Amazon Music, you first start by playing the first song. As the first song is playing, okay, uh, as you can see over here, the song was playing. What I did was look on the left side. Do you see this drop down arrow? Tap on that, and then click on. Let's go home from home. I click on browse, and from there, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see this magnifier icon? Tap on that, and then find the next song. Okay. Remember, you will repeat this step. Okay. So first, as the song was playing, click on the down arrow, and then click on browse, and then click on the magnifier icon up on the upper right hand corner. Find the next song. Let me do Michael Jackson. Actually, Prince. It's a good Prince song. I never really listened to Prince that much. Let's see, from Purple Rain. Let me open the album. Purple Rain. Darling Nikki. I know this one song, okay? So if I wanna add this song to my queue of songs playing, if you pay attention to the right side of this row, do you see these three dots? Tap on those. And then the second option over here where it says add to queue. So I'll tap on that. Song added to queue. Now, we wanna go back to the now playing page. To do that, look over here. Do you see this right here? It's showing you this is the current song that's playing. So put your finger right there and scroll up, and it'll bring you the now playing page. When you're here, do you see where on the bottom where it says play, the play button? Under that, do you see this icon right here? Tap on the icon, and that will show you the song queue. Okay, this is the song queue. Now it's showing you the upcoming song. All right, so that's how I was able to create a song queue. And if I go back again, I can actually add another song. Purple Rain. Okay, so again, find the song, look on the right side of it, tap on the three dots, add to queue. All right, now if I go back to the now playing page, I'll just put my finger over here and scroll up, and then look over here on the bottom at this icon, tap on that. It shows me the entire queue. So this is the queue that I've created so far, and I believe you can even edit this queue. If you look on the bottom left hand corner, tap on that, and you can, if you look on the right side, do you see these bars? Tap and hold on those and move the song up or down. As you can see, I can even change the order of this queue. And once you have put them in the order that you like, look on the upper right hand corner, click on where it says done, and there you go, the order has changed. Now I'll just click on where it says, make sure you click on where it says save. That was saving as a playlist. Let's actually go back, the back button. Now let me turn this off so YouTube doesn't get mad at me. So I'll start playing, and then when I press skip, it plays Purple Rain. That's how you can create a song queue on Amazon Music app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out the link in my video description for Jaybird. Check out those headphones and kind of see what they have to offer. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.